treatment of epidermal pigmentation spots, such as age spots. And this is what I mentioned just now, that on the skin, when there are some unwanted tissues, like different type of pigmentation, we just cut it and throw it away. So this is how we do with this. Normal, when we are doing this treatment, is just epidermal pigmentation, just like the age spots, freckles, sunspots, spider nevi, and the small freckle like nevi. Those epidermal pigmentation problems. And the head, we need to use the cutting head for this. But for some of them, also fractional mode is also okay for some, like big spots, or depends on the actual situation. And timely treatment of possible allergic reactions. Shorten the time of crusting and scalp removal. It's also very important. As long as the scar is removed, and then the skin will be fine, and you can use it as a normal skin, no problem. And to skin repairs and complete epithelialization as soon as possible. Epithelialization, it's also very important to finish this process, and then you can use the skin as a normal skin very quickly. After, when the scar is off, and there will be transient discoloration, so that's normal, so no worry about that. It's going to be recovered. Continuous repair for more than 2 months. Look in moisture to repair the stratum corneum and the sebaceous film. And sun protection is very important, as always. That's the part for the pigmentation treatment. And for this, I have some suggestions also. And for doing the treatment of the spots, for example, when you are using the cutting mode, you use the pulse model, not single pulse. You need to use the repeat pulse mode. If you are a new operator, you can use the single pulse because it's even more safer. But for the skillful operators, you just use the repeat pulse mode and to do that cutting. And for beginning, and when you are not familiar with the machine, and you can do the test with a fork on other type of things, and to use the ink, and to use the ink and draw a black spot, and then you do that, the practice. And at that time, you will know how to control the energy, and your pen is going to be very stable. And that's very important. And then, when you are very familiar with that, you can start to do the treatment on the real skin. So that's important.